In recent years, the landscape of digital marketing has evolved dramatically, with affiliate marketing standing out as a significant trend. Among the platforms available, Amazon, TikTok, and a host of other social media channels have emerged as powerful allies for marketers looking to maximize their reach and revenue. Today, let's delve into how these platforms are shaping the affiliate marketing scene and how you can benefit from it. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based strategy where businesses reward affiliates for driving traffic or sales to their websites. Amazon has long been a pioneer in this field, with its Amazon Associates program. This platform allows individuals to promote products and earn commissions when their audience makes a purchase through their unique affiliate links. With a vast array of products and established trust, Amazon continues to be a favorite among affiliate marketers. The advent of TikTok has introduced a new dynamic into affiliate marketing. Known for its short-form videos, TikTok captivates millions of users daily. Content creators can harness this platform to create engaging, entertaining videos that incorporate affiliate links. The viral nature of TikTok content means that a single video has the potential to reach an immense, diverse audience, boosting affiliate links' chances of being clicked and conversions being made. Social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube are also vital in the affiliate marketing realm. Each platform offers unique avenues for engagement and creativity. Instagram's visual focus, for example, is perfect for eye-catching product placements, while YouTube allows for more in-depth reviews and tutorials. These platforms not only reach vast audiences, but also provide tools for precise targeting and analytics, enabling marketers to refine their strategies continuously. To leverage these social media platforms effectively, it's crucial to understand your audience and tailor your content accordingly. Genuine, authentic content is key to building trust with your audience, which in turn increases the likelihood of them clicking through your affiliate links. Engaging narratives or storytelling can significantly enhance the appeal of your promotions, encouraging viewers to explore your recommendations further. Finally, remember that timing and relevance are paramount. Being aware of trending topics and incorporating them into your content can amplify your reach and engagement levels. Regular analysis of your campaigns allows you to make informed adjustments, ensuring that your strategies remain effective and up to date. To conclude, affiliate marketing remains a robust tool in digital marketing, with Amazon leading the charge in reliable, commission-based sales opportunities. The rise of TikTok and the continued popularity of platforms like Instagram and Facebook offer fresh, dynamic avenues for creative marketers to explore. By understanding the nuances of each platform and fostering genuine connections with your audience, you can optimize your affiliate marketing efforts. For those looking to dive into the exciting world of affiliate marketing, don't forget to explore opportunities with Amazon's affiliate program. And if you're eager to find some of the best prices on products, make sure to click my Amazon affiliate link provided. It's a simple, effective way to save and discover great deals.